Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to change default browser on Android. So let's get started. First, open your Google app and tap on search option, and now type your search option any browser. Now tap and any browser now install. Now go back and home screen. Now open your cell phone settings. Now click here and follow my step by step properly. Scroll down, tap on apps. Now click here and tap on choose default apps and click here. Choose your select browser apps. Now from at the list, now choose your default browser. Any default browser, choose here. It is selected Firefox. Okay, by doing this process you can easily change default browser on Android device. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.